Hello, everybody, people of Grange, Year 5 and Year 6 Grange community. We know what we're all about at Grange. The G of Grange is for a great caring attitude. The R of Grange is for really trying our best. The A of Grange is for always learning, especially from our mistakes. The second G of Grange is for going for improvement and progress. The E of Grange is our education, which is everything we learn in school and everything we learn in life, which we use to help us to make good choices as we go along in the journey of life. And the N of Grange, which I had not forgotten, is for never giving up. And that's who we are, CC learners. That's what Grange is all about. And at Grange, we say that our true strength is the strength inside ourselves, the strength of character. And the way that we live it at Grange is we live a balance of confidence, belief in ourselves, no matter what anybody else says about us, no matter what we see, we believe in ourselves, we believe we know that we are worthy, that is confidence and consideration. We care about all of those around us. We say kindness is strength. And that's kindness to ourselves, confidence, and kindness to others, consideration. And that is the CC way. And here are some Grange people who give us hope. All of our Grange children welcome new children, make them feel safe and happy. It is not easy to be a new child in a school, but our Grange children are so amazing, so welcoming. I see new children come to Grange, they just settle down, and that's credit to you, children of Grange. All our Grange children who do CC walking, CC salutes, star sitting, they're proud of their school and they make their school great. I really, really value that. You give me so much hope. Grange children make consistent good choices and help others to learn to make good choices. I see people making progress all the time. And yes, there are some children at Grange who really, really need to improve and make progress in their good choices. I see them making that progress every day. And that's also because they are helped by their classmates, by their school friends, all around them at Grange, making consistent good choices. All our Grange parents and carers who support us and support the Grange CC way. I've got to tell you, I love the CC salute from the children. It's wonderful from the Grange parents and carers who believe in what we're doing at the school and trust our school to send their children to our school and work with us in partnership so that our children can be great. All our Grange adults who teach, care for, and help our children of Grange learn and make loads of progress. We have wonderful teachers and educators at Grange, wonderful, amazing people who give their heart and soul. And you know what, children? You are too young to appreciate how incredible the teachers and educators are of Grange. When I was a child, I didn't appreciate my teachers and educators. Now that I'm an adult and I look back, I appreciate them, but I can tell you the teachers and educators I had were nowhere near the quality of the teachers and educators who are at Grange. And also, all the Grange children are quick to be ready to learn, especially after break and other transitions. A transition is when you change from one thing to another. Trans is like a bridge crossing over. So, for example, if you come from outside and then you're inside, that's a transition. But when you sit down and you are ready to learn, and you do that really, really quickly and you settle down, you help absolutely all of us. So, well done to all of you. The character strength focus that I'm going to really focus on right now is the superpower of being me. People make a mistake. They think a superpower is like being able to fly, making yourself invisible, super strength. I mean, I love superheroes. I've always loved comics and I come from a family. My father loved comics, and in our house we had literally hundreds of comics. We collected them, so I know about superheroes and superpowers. But a superpower that people really forget about is being me, being true to myself, not changing. And you know what? There are some of you at Grange. You are really powerful at this. You don't let anybody change you. You are who you are. And when you are true to yourself, when I am me and I'm the best me that I can be, that is an incredible superpower. We have CC walking at Grange, where we embrace the challenge and walk with confidence and consideration. We have star sitting, when again we are confident and kind to ourselves because we are ready to learn, and we are considerate because we don't disturb or distract anybody else, and we don't allow anybody to distract us. And we remember there's no substitute for each of us. Other people can help us in our lives, but it's up to us to live our best lives. It's always about becoming our best. So this superpower, being me, is incredibly important. So you know that I love questions because questions open up pathways of learning. And here are 2 questions that will help you with the superpower of being me. Am I really proud of myself? Now, you need to be careful because the word proud is not the same as the word arrogant. Arrogant is when you strut around and you put yourself out there and you push yourself out there, and it's not actually really about you. It's like taking up other people's space. It's like making too much of a show of yourself. That's arrogance. Confidence is different. Confidence is when you believe in yourself. Confidence is when you are proud of yourself because you know who you are and you know your strength and you know your skills, you know your talents, you know your learning, and you don't let other people wobble you. And you say, yeah, I am proud of myself. And you think about the things that you're proud of yourself and you learn from your mistakes. Am I really strong enough to make my own decisions? Now, yeah, children of year 5 and year 6 at Grange, the thing is, often it's easy to just be distracted and swayed by people, other children maybe, who are not making the right decision because it's just fun, have a bit of a laugh, mess around, don't settle down. That's not strength. That's not being strong enough to make your own decisions. Because the right thing in life that will help you, especially at a school like Grange, where teachers and educators and adults really care about you, are really kind and caring, then if you are strong enough to make your own decisions, you will listen to them. You will do the right thing, even when they don't ask you, because you know what your teacher is expecting from you. You know what your educator is expecting from you. You know inside yourself, if I'm going to be me, I need to make the right choices. So let's train the CC way. And let's remember, this is the key learning you need to take away from this assembly. Do the right thing even when no one is looking. A parent might not be there. A teacher or educator might not be there. But you are there. So do the right thing for yourself, to be yourself even when no one is looking. And know inside yourself, when you do that, you make a real difference. It's an image of somebody picking up a wallet. Sometimes that happens in life. You find lost money, you find a lost wallet. It's easy to say, oh, I'll just take it. What's the right thing? Somebody else has lost that money. It belongs to somebody else. Even if nobody else is ever going to find out, you do the right thing. You return it. Good comes back to those who do the right thing. It's always do the right thing, even when no one is looking. Yeah, the school toilets. The thing about toilets, and this is why I put them in this assembly, is toilets are a place where we give privacy. So in the toilets in the school, there are not going to be any adults there. There won't be any parents. There won't be any teachers. There won't be any educators. So sadly, or I can say that's the place where you need to do the right thing, even when no one is looking. That's the place where you have to say, I'll leave the toilets exactly the way I wish that they would be when I find them. Clean, tidy, not wet the floor, never throw anything around, because at the end of the day, if no one is there looking, that's because you've got privacy. But we want things to be the right way, to be nice. When I was a kid at school, I used to hate going to the toilets because there was such a mess. At Grange, actually, people are kind. People really try. There's still a few people at Grange who are not strong enough to make the right choice when there aren't people looking out for them. And I worry about them. So everybody help each other to do the right thing even when no one is looking. And if you're listening to this assembly, and if you are learning from it, learn and do the right thing wherever you are, even if no one is looking. So that's the discussion time. You can pause the video over here. Think of examples when I'll be strong enough to be me and make a good choice for the good of myself and my community, even if no one is watching. Really look forward to hearing what examples you come up with. Gold stars of the week. That is Shravan, brilliant. Zara, Shamina, proud of you. Well done, Grange Gold stars. Shravan, looking forward to your debating. You were brilliant in debate, mate, last week. Class champions Leo, Alex, Dennis, and Shifa and Siko, Louisa, Kishan, and Natalia and Lister, Adrian, Joshua, Rahima in Nightingale. Really proud of you. Osmina, Ilya, Sana in Tubman and Karishma in Tubman. That's wonderful. Prasyan, you've had a brilliant week. Sakina, Murthika in Mandela, brilliant. Asia, Danya, Dinura in Parks, fantastic. And Mustafa M in Parks. Well done, you. So we got 19,533 brilliant CC points. We now looking at Mr. Kerbel's Class E class. Well, C Cole class, well done to you, over 1,000. Nightingale class, look at you. But the Class E class of the week, lovely Lister, really wonderful to see you. Almost 1,500 points. Really proud of you, Lister class. I was looking at your reading assessment on Compass and just seeing how you're doing. Really proud of you. We set ourselves a ridiculously ambitious aspirational 500,000 CC power points. We need 119,613 more to reach our target. Are we going to get to 500,000 class chart CC points? Oh, yes, we are, because we are powerful, we are kind, we are loved, and we are great. We're going to make it. No question. The reindeer came in autumn, and the chicks will be here when you're watching this assembly. They won't be here as chicks, they'll be here as eggs. But the cycle of life, and from the eggs shall come the chicks, and we shall all enjoy that. So they'll be here, and that's an exciting thing to think about. Where are they? Let's give ourselves a CC salute. Remember that superpower of being me. Every time you make the right choice, you make the right decision. Proud of you. And look at our beautiful world. Kindness is strength. We are people of consideration. Let's be great, let's be Grange, let's live our lives with confidence and consideration and enjoy the learning ahead and be safe and happy. Let's learn together, children of Grange. Let's respect each other, people of Grange. Let's achieve our potential, community of Grange. Let's be great, let's be Grange.